Vic Avery had a good year last year. You know, won a couple matches at the Nationals. He's beaten, I think, at one time or another, 4, 5, 6 of the top 10 guys. He has certainly the physical tools to win the NCAA championship. There's no doubt in my mind. He just needs to continue to believe in himself, and he's getting that belief. That belief sometimes comes over time, training and trials and tribulations and going through hard times. I think he has all that under his belt now, so this is going to be a breakout year. I think people are going to be like, wow, you know, where'd this guy come from?
Yeah. I've always had that mindset, and you know, my parents always tried to calm it down. I guess it's just the way God made me, but I've always just been that guy who's all or nothing in every aspect of life. So I think finally I've gotten the coaching staff to believe in that goal as well. You know, they're always like, yeah, let's get on the podium, but now I think Flynn's expectation truly is for me to win the Nationals. So it's going to be fun now that you have the belief of your coaches.